The Infinix Smart 9 is a budget device priced at $65. It's not built for gaming, but it's known for a strong battery life and durable design. Is it any good considering most phones at this price point are known to lag? Let's dive in and find out. When you open the box of the Infinix Smart 9, here's what you find. A transparent protective case to keep the device safe, a 10-watt charger which will get the job done but it's not the fastest, a USB-C cable for charging and data transfer, headphones which is a nice addition, especially since not all phones include them anymore. For the design, the Smart 9 comes with a premium plastic finish that feels sturdy and durable in your hand. Despite being an entry-level device, the design doesn't look cheap. The new camera bump design is sleek, adding a modern touch to the back of this phone without being too bulky. The flat frame with a glossy finish gives it a more polished and refined look, making it more comfortable to hold while maintaining a stylish appearance. Overall, the Smart 9 combines durability with design and looks more premium than the price suggests. For the display, the Smart 9 features a 6.9 inches LCD display with 120Hz refresh rate, making scrolling and general use feel smooth. Although it's not AMOLED, the display still holds up well, with 400 nits of brightness providing decent visibility even in outdoor conditions. The resolution is 720p by 1600 pixel, which is sufficient for basic tasks and media consumptions, but may lack sharpness for more detailed visuals. On the audio side, the phone is equipped with dual stereo speakers, offering you a notable improvement in the sound quality, especially when watching videos or listening to music. The audio is loud and clear, providing you a better media experience than what you expect from devices in this price range. For software, the Smart 9 runs on Android 14 Go Edition paired with XOS 14, which is Infinix custom skin. This combination is designed to be lightweight, making the phone feel responsive even for an entry-level device. XOS 14 introduces some useful features that can enhance the overall experience of this device. One standout feature is the voice assistant Folax, which has seen some significant improvements. It's now much better at handling research tasks, making it more than just a basic voice assistant. Whether you're setting reminders, searching for information, or performing simple commands, Folax is faster and more accurate. There's no specific information for software updates for the Smart 9, but Infinix generally offers 2 years of software updates on their devices, which should give users some peace of mind for future improvements and security patches. For performance, the Smart 9 is powered by the Helio G81 processor, which is designed for entry-level tasks but not intensive workloads. With a low benchmark score of 231K, it's clear this device isn't built for high performance, but it still handles basic apps and everyday usage. When it comes to gaming, the limitation of the processor becomes more apparent. Popular games like Call of Duty and PUBG can only be played smoothly on low graphics and frame rate settings. Trying to push the graphics higher will result to the phone lagging or you get poor frame rates. As for Warzone, the game is not available for download on this device. You get a message stating it's not compatible. Overall, the performance is good for light users, but if you're planning to use this device for heavy gaming, you will notice some lag and choppiness. Smart 9 supports 4G LTE dual SIM functionality, making it convenient for users who want to separate work and personal numbers. For storage, the device comes with 64GB or 128 internal storage, which is decent for an entry-level phone. However, the Smart 9 includes a dedicated microSD slot, allowing you to expand storage further, perfect for users who need more space for apps, photos, and videos. For RAM, you get option of 3GB and 4GB. It can handle multitasking, though performance might dip with more demanding apps. For the battery, the Smart 9 comes with a 5000 mAh battery, which is one of its standout features. Under average use, such as browsing, social media, and occasional video watching, the battery can easily last you a full day. For heavy users who might be streaming, watching videos, playing games, you can get at least 13 hours of this device. When it comes to charging, this device supports 10 watts wire charging, which is not the fastest. On an average, it takes 2 to 3 hours to fully charge the device from 0 to 100. While this slow charging speed might be a drawback, the large battery size ensures that you won't need to charge frequently. For the camera, the Smart 9 comes equipped with a 13-megapixel main camera that takes decent photos. The camera also includes LED flash and panorama mode, giving you a few extra tools to capture different scenes. For video, the rear camera can shoot 1080p at 30fps, which is decent for your basic video recording needs, though the quality is not the best in well-lit conditions. The 8 megapixel selfie camera is adequate for video calls and casual selfies, especially in good lighting. Image quality overall is okay but not spectacular, but it's sufficient for the price point. Camera might struggle in low light conditions where you notice a little grain and softer details. For security, the Smart 9 offers some basic security options. It has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner for quick and easy unlocking. You also get face unlock, which adds an extra layer of security. The face unlock features might not be as advanced as high-end phones, but it still does a good job at keeping your data safe for a budget device. Now, as usual, pros and cons before I give my conclusion. Pro number 1, affordable price, $65 or 150,000 Naira. For the specs you're giving, it's quite cool. Pro number 2, durable design. It feels very strong and durable, and it's not one device you'll be scared of dropping. Pro number 3, battery life. Amazing battery life. 5000 mAh battery that can last you a full day with heavy to moderate use. Pro number 4, 120Hz refresh rate. This will help the device be more fluid. It's quite weird, a 720p device with 120Hz refresh rate, but we take it, at least it makes the device more smooth. Pro number 5, decent camera. It's not the best, but it takes okay photos and it's good for video calls. For the cons, they are not much, but they are there. The first one is the screen resolution, 720p. I feel like we should have gotten out of this space at least 1080p. 720p is weird. Second con is slow charging. 10 watts is too slow. At least 25 watts, it should be the standard. Now, for my conclusion, I think the Smart 9 is a solid entry device for those who need a durable phone with long-lasting battery. While it's not impressive in terms of performance or gaming, but at the end of the day, this is not what you look for a phone in this price point. I think this device is suited for a second phone or a device you just buy to make calls and just do the basics. I think it's one phone to look out for. It has better specs than the competition out there, and I think it's value for money. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and let me know in the comments what you think about my review, and let's have a conversation about the Smart 9. I'll see you guys in the next one.